Namaskaram. We are diving into a tale of two powerful avatars, Narasimha, the man lion, and Sharabha, the enigmatic form of Shiva. Remember the demon king Hiranyakashipu wreaked havoc, and Vishnu, the protector, took the form of Narasimha, a ferocious being, half man and half lion? Narasimha ripped apart Hiranyakashipu, restoring peace. However, Narasimha's rage wouldn't subside as his anger threatened to consume everything. To restore balance, Shiva emerged as Sharabha, a being unlike any other. Imagine a humongous deity that is part lion, part human, and part bird, radiating raw power. A colossal battle ensued, shaking the very foundation of the universe. Sharabha, with his unmatched might, eventually subdued Narasimha's anger. This wasn't about destruction, but about balance. Sharabha, the fierce form, embraced the raging Narasimha. This powerful image, like the one seen in Chennai Kurungalishwarar temple, symbolizes calming of righteous anger. The story of Sharabha and Narasimha reminds us that even the most powerful deities can be swayed by emotions. But there's also a message of balancing the importance of recognizing when anger needs to be tempered. So the next time you feel rage bubbling up, remember the power of composure. And hey, maybe tune into more stories from Kathas with Pooja. It could help in making you calmer. Thank you.